Your Grease Boss grease removal unit is designed to remove most fat, oil or grease from the wastewater flowing out of the dishwashing sink. The Easy Clean incorporates a self-wash cycle and pump out to keep the unit clean and reduce maintenance costs. We will take the lid off the Grease Boss so you can see how everything works, but normally it should be on. You do not have to take it off unless you want to clean the wiper blade. The wastewater from the sink flows in through the inlet and into the Grease Boss, which has a 2mm mesh filter basket. The filter basket sits above the water level and its mesh is small enough to catch small food particles which get through the sink filter. The basket is easily removed to check if it needs emptying, which we recommend is done daily. To do this, open the filter door, remove the basket and scrape off the waste coating the basket into a waste container. The wastewater with the fat, oil and grease, or fog, flows over a series of baffles in the tank, and the fog floats to the top. The Grease Boss Easy Clean is designed to operate on a 24-hour intermittent cycle to rotate the roller. When the water with the fog passes over the roller, the fog sticks to the roller. A blade then scrapes off the fog into the container you have placed under the nozzle. After the fog removal cycle is complete, hot water jets clean the inside of the tank and move any remaining fog towards the roller. The hot water is taken from the customer's hot water supply and only uses around 28 litres daily. Another jet washes the roller blade and fog. When the final cycle ends and the fog has been removed to the external collection, the remaining water is pumped from the unit into the wastewater system. The pump to remove the water will only operate after the fog has been removed. This means that very little fog is pumped out. The pump out will remove very small particles of sediment which would normally build up within the tank. This helps to keep the unit clean and reduce odour. We recommend that your Grease Boss is serviced every 6 months. This will involve a commercial pump out, which will clean out any residue formed at the bottom of the tank.